Today I am going to speak about FM detection principle, that is how to extract information from the FM modulated signal. That's the idea. So we have key components, that is L. This L, the reactance, inductive reactance is given by 2 pi FL. That means when frequency increases, XL also increases. So when XL increases, the voltage drop across the coil also increases. So the idea is, first you convert the incoming frequency modulated wave. So the information is present in frequency. So there will be a center frequency. Based on the frequency deviations, we are representing the signal in frequency deviations. So what you do is, the incoming FM wave, when it strikes the coil, the frequency variations are converted into voltage variations. Why I am telling this? Because when frequency increases, the XL increases. Therefore, voltage drop across the coil also will increases. So when frequency decreases, XL value also decreases and the voltage drop across the coil also decreases. That means what? We are converting the frequency variations into voltage variations. That means voltage was going to increase or decrease, that depends on the frequency. So now we have converted a frequency variations into voltage variations, otherwise called as amplitude variations. So the next step what we have to do, we can go by the regular method of detection as we do with amplitude modulated waveforms. So what amplitude modulation, what we are going to do, we will be having a diode. This diode will act as a detector. That means we have variations like this. Okay. So since this is forward bias like this, the negative cycle is totally eliminated and we will be having positive cycle. But in positive cycle we have the information. So this, after carefully choosing the RC filter, okay, this value and C, so that it integrates all these peaks. In that way you have to choose the value for R and C. That's the condition. Then you will be getting the required audio signal or information. I can say information. So this was the method we were using previously. Now we have so many methods of detection of FM, but the simplest and easy way of detection of FM is, you convert the incoming FM wave by passing through a coil, you convert that into voltage variations. Once you have done that, it is converted into amplitude modulated waveform. Therefore, you will be seeing amplitude variations. From amplitude variations, this can be viewed as a amplitude modulated wave. So this signal can be passed through a diode. The diode will remove the negative half cycle, or if you reverse bias, it will remove the positive half cycle. And then choosing proper RC values, we can integrate the high frequency carrier wave and we will get the required audio signal or baseband signal. Hope you have understood this topic on FM detection using a simple coil. Thanks for watching this video and